Good morning, students. In the last class, I taught what is an operating system, its functions, and its types. In this class, I would like to teach what is user interface, its types, advantages, and disadvantages. Shall we start the class? Welcome to computer class. First of all, we are going to learn the definition of user interface. User interface refers to the hardware software mechanism by which a user interacts with the computer to pass instructions to it. The operating system of a computer acts as an interface through which a user given commands or instructions to the computer and also receives messages from the computer. Without the operating system, interaction between user and a computer is not possible. Means this is an interaction between user and the computer. The operating system acts as the interaction interface between user and the computer. The operating system takes the commands from the user and it converts these commands into computer language and execute that command and give the output by converting into the user's language. That is called interface, which is converting the user's language to the computer's language and the computer's language to the user's language. The middle one is called user interface. We have two types of user interface. First one is CUI, means character user interface. This interface requires the user to type commands in order to interact with the computer system. This type of interface is not a good choice for the beginners as they have to memorize a good range of different commands. Character user interface is also known as command line interface, that is CLI. A command is a space on the display screen in which commands are typed in by the users. Second one is GUI, graphical user interface. This interface is graphical based and interactive in nature. Different devices such as mouse, keyboard, etc. are used to interact with the system. GUI is more user friendly. The user uses different menus and options to communicate with the system. Windows is the most popular GUI operating system. The next one is advantages of GUI and CUI. The first one is basic GUI. This user interface enables user to interact with the electronic device with the help of graphical icons and visual indicators. Whereas in CLI, this user interface enables user to give command to interact with the electronic device. Based on use of understating in the GUI, graphical user interface is visually intuitive. It is easy to understand for beginners. Whereas in CLI, due to need of remembering commands, it is difficult to handle and requires expertise. And the next one is based on memory requirement, GUI requires more memory as it consists of lot of graphical components. In CLI, it requires less memory as compared to GUI. Based on speed, the GUI generally uses mouse to execute commands. The speed of GUI is slower than CLI. In CLI, because keyboard is used to execute the commands, the speed of the CLI faster than the GUI. And the next one is based on the appearance. GUI, one can change the appearance with a customizable option. In CLI, it is not possible to change the appearance. Based on the flexibility, in GUI, more flexible than CLI. In CLI, less flexible than CLI. Based on the device used, GUI uses keyboard and mouse. In CLI, we are using only keyboard. Based on precision, GUI low as compared to the CLI. The CLI is high as compared to the GUI. Now, come to the disadvantages of GUI and CUI. In GUI, a type of user interact that allows users to interact with the electronic devices through graphical icons and visual indicators. In CLI, an interface for the user to use commands in the form of successive lines of text or command lines to perform the task. In GUI, graphical user interface and is a CLI is command line interface. The GUI even a beginner can easily handle. In CLI, user should have good knowledge of commands. Next one is the GUI requires more memory as it contains a lot of graphical components, and in CLI does not require more memory. GUI is slower and CLI is faster. GUI are customizable options to change the appearance. In CLI, it is not possible to change the appearance, and GUI is more flexible, and CLI is not much flexible. This is all about graphic user interface. Students, subscribe this channel to get the notifications. Thank you.